How to recover deleted apps on Android phone or tablet. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guide, and in this guide video I will simply show you how you could very easily recover deleted apps on your Android phone or your tablet. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So maybe your phone got formatted for no reason at all, or maybe your account was synced in and now you no longer have some of the apps over here. For example, just with the context of this video, let's say that I go ahead and simply actually uninstall any of the applications right over here. Let's say this one for example, and now you want to simply recover that application. As you can see, there is no way we can do it from the home screen. Now the process is really very simple. All you have to do is simply go ahead and then open up your Play Store. Once you open up your Play Store right over here, you'll be able to see all of these options. The very first thing you could do is you could simply go ahead and then search for that particular app which you lost. So if I go ahead and then type in the name of that particular app which I lost, you'll be able to see that particular app at the very top of the screen. Now I'll simply go ahead and select it, and all you have to do is just simply tap on the install button right over here. Once you tap on the install button, that particular app which was deleted earlier is going to be installed back on your smartphone again, and that is basically the first way to do it. The other way, however, is let's say you signed up on new device and now you don't have that options. You're not sure what kind of apps you downloaded. Well, in that case, you could tap on your Google profile photo, and here you could go to manage apps and devices. After you go to manage apps and devices, you could tap on manage and you could see some of the installed apps, or you could select not install, which means not installed on this phone but it was installed on some other phone which you actually lost, and this will basically give you a general idea of some of the apps which you had been downloading on your previous devices. And now you could basically go ahead and then simply tap on it and then select the apps you want to download, and then tap on this download icon which you see on the top right corner of the screen. And this is it. This is how you can recover deleted apps on your Android phone or tablet. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.